Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this LED motorcycle headlight. As you can see, this is very solid construction, super clear lens there, and you can just see right through this thing. It'll look beautiful on any kind of bike. It's 5 and 0.75 inches, so make sure it's the right size. You got that standard 3-prong plug right there. Very short cord, so there's nothing hanging or anything like that. It also comes with this instruction guide right here on how to go ahead and install it. And it also came with a wrapper on top of this lens to keep it nice and clean. It also comes very protected in a pretty basic plain black box. So that's pretty much it. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a stylish new headlight that will get the job done. This one is super bright and it got lots of very nice ratings. So thank you very much for watching.